House.
Hi. I'm making a video, Mama.
I am. What are you girls doing?
Drawing.
My.
I'm so serious.
Well, you gotta finish.
I'm so serious.
Well, you wanna look at Madison?
Hi. Hi, Maya. Me too. I'll see Maya too.
Well, you gotta go sit next to Madison, and then I'll take you.
You got to. And scooch over.
Maya, what are you doing?
We're drawing together.
What are you drawing, Mai? You're not there, honey. It's just Madison. You gotta go back and sit so you can be in the video.
Oh. I thought you said Madison.
Yep.
Mary Madison.
Maya, what are you drawing?
Showing something.
You're drawing something?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. How old are you?
2.
Oh, Madison, how old are you?
5.5.
Oh.
I mean 6.5.
No. So silly.
You are
So,
4.
tell me, what was your favorite part of Thanksgiving?
Mommy, you're 4.
Girls, what was your best part of Thanksgiving?
Mine was Mine was eating the big turkey.
It was good. Maya, what was your favorite part of Thanksgiving? Maya, did you like playing with all your cousins?
Oh, yeah. That was my favorite too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And who are some of your cousins?
Sawyer, Oscar, and Owen.
Who else?
Cousin Jimmy.
Yeah. Ashi.
She's not my cousin.
Yeah, she is.
How is she?
She's Mommy's cousin, so that makes her your cousin.
I need to get something. I need to get
Maya, you're so busy over there. What color marker are you using?
She's using
No,
black.
let her answer. What color are you using, Mai?
Using black.
All right, girls. Love you.
Love you too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Mai, bye.
Did you take a video of that one?
Are you right?
Mom, did you take a video of that one?
Sure did.
That was awesome.
Mai, you okay?
Yeah,
All right.
Bye-bye. You can turn off the video.
Bye, Maimu.
Bye.
Love
Wait
you.
a second. Wait, Mama.
Yep.
I have pink eyes.
No, you don't.
Okay, now you can do it.
All right. Have fun.
Have fun. Mama,
For what?
wait!
That's not even... It's not even really talking. What am I waiting for?
Are you doing a video of that, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy.
Maya, do you want to do your ABCs?
Mommy, this is Flounder when he was growing big.
Oh, so cute. I love it. Maya, do you want to do your ABCs? Nope, Maya.
B, C, D, T, Y, S,
What?
W, S.
No way. Hold on. A, B.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you sing my ABC. Next time singing with the pinky ping.
Oh, you girls are so silly.